Creating simple machines. A video by East the Science Beast. There are 6 types of simple machines. The inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge, lever, screw, and the pulley. Gear up, and let's roll. The impact of simple machines on our lives, making work easier. A push or pull of an object is called force. If you exert force on an object and it moves any distance, this is called work. Simple machines make work easier. Simple machines work by changing the direction of a force or the amount of force that is needed to do something. Simple machines make tasks easier by changing how we push or pull things. Simple machines utilize applied force instead of reducing it. Vocabulary. Simple machine. A machine with few or no working parts, makes work easier. Compound machine. Made up of 2 or more simple machines, makes work easier. Force. Push or pull on an object. Vocabulary. Form. The shape or arrangement of an object. Work. Force over a distance to complete a purpose. Load. The object to be moved or lifted. Screws. Coolest twist in town. Form. Inclined plane wrapped around a pole. Function. Holds objects together. Makes work easier by. Increases distance and decreases force. Turning a screw into wood pulls or pushes things along as it goes deeper, helping cover more distance with each turn. Fun fact Frankie. Screws with threads that are closer together means more force. Inclined plane. Ramp it up. Form. A sloped plane. Function. Makes moving objects easier. Makes work easier by. Decreases, less force and increased distance. An inclined plane can help you move heavy objects. It is easier to move heavy objects up a ramp than it is to move them straight up. Lever. Lift to the next level. Form. A bar, stick, or plank that moves on a fulcrum. Function. Reduces force needed to move a load. Makes work easier by. Less force over greater distance. When one end of the plank is pushed down, the plank pivots on the fulcrum, causing the other end of the plank to rise. Wedge. Chop, split, dice. Form. 2 back-to-back inclined planes, wide on one end. Function. Makes work easier by. Splits items. More force over greater distance. Spreading force over a longer distance, reducing the force needed. Splits stuff up. Pulley. Wheeling and dealing with ropes. Form. A wheel and a rope. One end attached to a load. Function. Lifts heavy loads. Moves loads up, down, or sideways. Makes work easier by. Supports the load. Reduces force. Has a wheel and groove, where a load is attached to one end of the cord, and the input force is applied to the other end. Wheel and axle. Keep on wheeling on. Form. Made of a wheel that is moving around the rod, called an axle. Function. Lifts heavy objects. Wheels rotate around a rod. Makes work easier by. Increase distance. Reduce force. A wheel and axle is like a big round circle connected to a stick in the middle. When you push or turn the circle, wheel, it makes the stick, axle, spin. This makes it easier to move things or make things go round and round, like when you ride your bike or turn a doorknob. Quiz time. What simple machine is this? Lever. What simple machine is this? Wedge. What simple machine is this? Inclined plane. What simple machine is this? Screw. What simple machine is this? Wheel and axle. What simple machine is this? Pulley. This has been a video by East the Science Beast. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe.